If we need money, we can take a loan from the bank. When we return, we have to pay some extra money along with the money taken from the bank. That extra money is called interest. Formula for finding amount. Amount is equal to loan plus interest. Amount is equal to loan plus interest. So, comparing loan and interest, the value of amount is always bigger. So, now read first question. Choose the correct answer. A. What is the loan amount taken if the total amount paid is rupees 25,300 and the interest is rupees 1,300? In this question, amount is given 25,300. Interest also given 1,300. We have to find the loan. So 25,300 is equal to, we don't know this loan amount, plus interest. Value of this loan is smaller than this 25,300. By doing subtraction, we get the answer. After subtracting these two numbers, we get 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, here 2. So, rupees 24,000. The loan amount is, the correct answer is rupees 24,000. A method of checking your subtraction, the easiest way is just doing the reverse. So, check your answer by adding. Adding 24,000 plus 1,300, we get 25,300 means your subtraction is correct. D question. Find the interest amount paid to the bank for a loan of rupees 1 lakh if the total amount repaid is rupees 1,10,500. So repaid amount is given rupees 1,10,500. We have to find the interest. So here also amount is bigger than these two numbers. We are going to find interest. So by doing subtraction, you can find the answer. So do it yourself. Now second question, complete the table. 3 columns are given: loan, interest, amount. You know the formula for finding amount is equal to loan plus interest. So if you find amount, you have to add these two numbers, loan plus interest. If you find loan, you have to do subtraction. If you find interest, again you have to subtract amount minus loan. So complete the table. Do yourself. B question. Santoshi has a business idea. The possible investments are listed along with a cost. Possible investments: machinery rupees 5 lakhs, raw materials rupees 2 lakh, packing and sales rupees 50,000. She has a savings of rupees 3 lakhs 50,000. Find the loan amount that Santoshi will have to borrow to start the business. Santoshi needs amount to start business. Using savings to start business. Money is important but not sufficient money. So, balance amount she has to borrow from the bank. So, first we have to find the total investment. First we have to add these numbers. Then we have to subtract savings amount from the total investment. The balance amount she has to borrow from the bank. Machinery rupees 5 lakh, raw materials rupees 2 lakh, packing and sales rupees 50,000. So first we have to find the total investments. The total investments is rupees 7 lakh 50,000. Savings rupees 3 lakh 50,000. Subtracting these two numbers, we get balance amount she has to borrow from the bank. Santoshi will have to borrow rupees 4 lakh to start the business. C question. Find the loan amount if the amount paid along with an interest of rupees 6,500 was rupees 78,500. Find the loan amount if the amount paid along with an interest. So 6,500 is interest. Amount paid rupees 78,500. We have to find the loan. So you know the formula, amount equal to loan plus interest. Amount is given, interest is also given. We have to find the loan. So after doing many answers, you know very well how to do this answer. So do it yourself.